In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix I can't comment on YouTube videos. So let's get started. Now we're going to be going over the main fixes, so you can just go ahead and follow me and see if any works out for you, okay? So first we have that make sure comments are not disabled for that video. Now sometimes creators turn comments off, and if you only can't comment on some videos, that's normal, okay? But if you can't comment anywhere, then just continue watching the video. Then the next step is to make sure that you're signed in, okay? So open YouTube, then obviously click on the profile picture and make sure that you are signed in. If it says sign in, just go ahead and sign in, and then you should be able to comment. Then we have check your Google account age. Now if your account is set to under 13, you cannot comment at all, okay? So to see this, you can just go ahead and search up myaccount.google.com. From here you can head to personal info, and there you can see your birth date and make sure it's the right birthday, okay? Then we have turn off restricted mode, okay? Because restricted mode hides comments sometimes, okay? So to turn it off, you gotta click on your profile picture. Here you see this option of restricted mode. So make sure you click it and it's off, okay? Then we have update the YouTube app. So now old versions glitch a lot. So you go to your app store, search up YouTube and make sure it's updated, okay? And this is only the case if you're using the app version. Then we have clear the cache for Android, okay? So to do this, you have to go to your settings, apps, YouTube, storage, and clear all the cache. And if you're on an iPhone, just delete the YouTube app and reinstall it. Then we have check your internet connection, because weak internet means that comments won't load. So try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and even try restarting your phone, okay? Then we have to try the desktop mode, okay? So instead of using the app on your mobile, you open any browser, search up youtube.com and see if the comments work there. Now if it works there and not the app, then obviously it's an app issue. Then you have to check if your account is blocked from commenting, because YouTube may block you for like 1 to 2 days for spam or rule violations. Now to check that, you'll have to go to your email, which is basically linked to your YouTube account, or you can even just click on the notifications and you must receive some kind of notification or an email that tells that you have broken some rule and you are no longer allowed to comment for a few days. So those are the most basic fixes that you can take to fix this issue, and I hope that this video has helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.